Yes, dear students, welcome to our physics class. Well, students, in the last we discussed about what? The potential in the second chapter, that is electric potential and its capacitance. In the last we discussed about that is equipotential surfaces. That is you already learned. So now the continuing part about this lesson, that is potential energy. Potential energy of a system of charges. Potential energy of a system of charges. System of charges means system of 2-point charges. Right? That will be discussed in the today class. Okay, students, you already know about the potential meaning. Potential is nothing but what? At a point. Potential at a point we define as work done in bringing a positive test charge from infinity to that point with the against an electric force. Okay, clear? Potential you already know, but ಈಗ ನಾವು potential energy ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ನಡುವೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್? ರೈಟ್, ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಿ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದು ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಂಗೆ. Right? So let us we discuss about the potential energy of a system of charges. Dear students, consider a system of 2-point charges Q1 and Q2. Here Q1 and Q2 are a system of 2-point charges such that Q2 is a far away. Q2 is a far away from charge Q1. This Q2 is a far away means at infinity end. At infinity from charge Q1 in free space. This is free space x, y, z. In this free space have a system of two charges Q1, Q2. This Q2 is a just far away means at infinity from this charge Q1. Okay, that will be got this one clear. Okay, in this figure there are R1 and R2 is there. That is, these R1 and R2 are position vectors in that region. Sorry, in that origin. R1 and R2 are the position vectors, and also from this point to this point some tells about a distance, difference, position vector difference R1 and R2. Right? Clear? Okay, now what will be a work done in this diagram? Means what will happen about this potential at point B? Dear students, now a work done. What? Work done in bringing a charge Q2. Work done in bringing a charge Q2 from infinity to the point B. To the point B. Due to in this point B, potential will be what? In this point B, what is the potential value in this point B? Dear students, don't confuse. We have to find the potential at point B. Okay? How? Work done in bringing a charge Q2 from infinity to the point B to near point A. Have to find the potential in this point due to charge Q1. Right? Clear? So now let us start a derivation. That is work done equal to V into work done equal to V into Q2. V into Q2. Dear students, here V is the potential. V is the potential at B due to charge Q1. Then we have to write V into Q2. Means in this point B charge Q2, right? So now this is the work done, where V is the potential. So in the next step we have to move through that is in this point B, what will happen? The potential, what the value in this point B? So now potential V equal to, I will write this value 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 divided by AB. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by AB. Dear students, just consider in this point B we have to find the potential. Okay? V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon, this is free space, into Q1 divided by, due to Q1 divided by AB, means position some distance A to B. Okay, got this equation? Okay, so now next, put the V value in the first equation. So W equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 divided by AB into Q2. Right? Got this? Okay. We have work done about this potential. Right? Dear students, also here AB is, we take AB. AB is nothing but point a charge Q1 to a charge Q2 distances. Means A is a point that is charge Q1 in this place and B is a charge Q2 place. Means some differences. Right? AB is a R2 minus R1 differences. Means position vector differences. A to B, R2 minus R1. So now we put the AB value in the again before equation 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught as it is said Q1 into Q2 into Q1 into Q2 divided by AB means R2 position vector R2 minus R1. Right? Students, here the position vector R2 minus R1 is nothing but R12 and we write it as in this AB value. AB R2 minus R1 we write it as R12 means position vector from 1 to 2 anta artha. Okay, so now let the final equation that is 1 upon 4 pi, sorry not final, the work done 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by Q2 divided by R12. Right? This position vector difference R2 minus R1 and we'll write it as R12 means the position vector from A to B, that is 1 to 2. Right? Then now this is a work done in bringing a Q2 charge from infinity to point B near to a point A. That is a work done value. This work done is stored as a potential energy. This work done is stored as a potential energy in this electric field. So now we will write it as, therefore potential energy of a system of two charges is nothing but 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 divided by Q2 divided by R1 2. This is the potential energy of a system of charges. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into R1 2. Dear students, this is main thing is work done, right? Clear ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು Q2 ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ Q1 ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ Q1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ that is the have work done. So total potential energy ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? So 1/4 now Q1 Q2 divided by R12. Here R is the position vectors, right? Clear? So repeat in your notes, write down in your notes this derivation. They will ask in 2 or 3 marks. Okay, students, please carefully study one or more times, practice about these derivations. Okay, in the next class we have to discuss about potential energy in an external electric field. Okay, thank you.